Welcome back. You're still tuned into Power Breakfast. Well, big boy L&T reported a good set of second quarter numbers after market hours yesterday. Vivek is joining us with the analysis. Good morning, Vivek.
Well, good morning. Quite a lot of numbers that came in post-market yesterday, but none bigger than L&T. Quite a good quarter, beating our estimates on most of the parameters. Core margins continue to remain slightly muted, but on a sequential basis, it has gone up by almost 20 basis points. Now, along with that, the most important development as far as the Q2 results were concerned was the fact that the management went ahead and retained the guidance that they had given at the start of the year. Remember, there was some concerns that the company may not be able to meet the order inflow guidance of 10% that it had given at the start of the year, given the fact that ordering activity was quite muted as far as H1 was concerned. Along with that, the company also went ahead and confirmed its change in stance, and now the company will be bidding for thermal power plant projects as far as India is concerned, and that's another big development. Along with that, remember, the company is L1 in two large NTPC projects that have come about. Now, talking about the numbers themselves, revenues higher by 20.5%. That's a slight beat to our poll. EBITDA higher by 13%, again above our estimates. EBITDA margins 10.3%. That's slightly underwhelming. Profitability up by 5.5%. Again, we were expecting a flat profit growth. Now, talking about the order inflow, as far as Q2 was concerned, 80,000 crore. It's down 10% on a year-on-year basis. But remember, Q2 last year, you did see two very large lumpy orders come in. Along with that, the international orders now constitute almost 40% of the total order book. Order book was up 13% on a year-on-year basis, now has crossed the 5 lakh crore mark. Along with that, the main margin picture, the P&M, the projects and manufacturing core margins, that is, has come in at 7.6%, up 20 basis on a year-on-year basis. But remember, it's still a way off as far as the management guidance is concerned of 8.25%. Order prospects, the company says 8.1 trillion. Domestic as well as international will form 50% each of the prospective order inflow. So overall, a good set of numbers from L&T. Expect the stock to do quite well in the session today.
No, I think we are staying course with that guidance because I think it's too early to read much into how the year will end. But we are reasonably confident that we would be able to meet the guidance as we see today.
Now, we had sort of said earlier that we'll withdraw from the thermal power plant business as they had originally scoped it out and packaged it, which included not only BTG but the entire EPC for the balance of the plant. Once we kind of communicated that, there has been some discussions and interactions with stakeholders. And I think the packaging has been different now, so we are looking at now more as a BTG, which fits very well into our core manufacturing capabilities. We are currently placed L1 on one of the bundles. The discussions are ongoing. We are hoping to win two of those at least.
Okay, that will be the big stock to watch out for in today's trading session.